worksheet we did last year. All right, nothing is different. All right, this is the second time you've done the worksheet. All right, so I'm hoping you guys kind of remember. Now, I deliberately put a lot of fractions and I put some decimals on here so you could get an understanding of fractions and decimals if you're having troubles. All right, now I know I don't scare anybody. All right, I might have scared you last year because you were, little bitty kids. All right, now you're big. You have nothing to worry about. You have to ask questions. All right, I'm already talking to parents about trying to get you into high school. All right, if you don't care about your grade, how are you going to get into high school? All right, you take responsibility for you. All right, speak up when you have a question. All right, and we're just going to go around the room and see what you remember. All right, and some of you are like, well, I don't remember any of this. And that's okay. We're going to do all of these problems today and tonight. Whatever we don't get done is, guess what? Homework. And what am I doing when you walk in the door tomorrow? I'm collecting it. All right, then I'm giving you the next worksheet. All right, the next worksheet's a 2-day thing though. All right, because it's a little bit harder, I think anyway. All right, so with that being said, all right, we're going to start over there on Jackson. All right, help me out, Jackson. What do I do first? X equals 1. Now, I'm okay with everybody putting x equals 1. All right, but just let's say you forgot what you were doing. We're undoing subtraction by adding 4 to both sides. Is it necessary to do that step? I don't think it's necessary. You should be good enough to just look at that and say, obviously, x equals 1. If you forgot the process, that is the process. That is the process. All right, anybody have any doubts about that? All right, here we go. Molly, what's number 3? You absolutely would do times 4. So what does z equal? You are amazing. -8. All right, so far we're 2 for 2. All right, Josh, let's keep it up. What do we got for number 5? C equals -25. Now, again, if you're sitting here going, man, slow down, I'm not sure. All right, I want you to say that. All right. What? You can't be completely confused. All right. How do you undo addition? No, I don't want you guessing. How do you undo addition? Subtraction. So you put -18 and -18 down on your paper because you're confused. And then you have to tell me what -7 and -18 is. What is that? Yeah, -25. Now you're in the game. Welcome. All right, number 7, go. E equals -32. Evan, how's that? Evan, I asked you a question. How's that? What? Oh, wow, good. I'm proud of myself. All right, let's try number 9, Evan. Because 6 times 8 is what?
Oh wait, I forgot which name.
Oops. Number 9. $48. Well, that was quick. Thank you. All right, I'm going to send you home with flashcards tomorrow, okay? I'm going to tell your mama to sit down with you and work the flashcards. All right, here we go. 11. I equals -7. Anybody have any problems so far? Nobody? All right, Miss Appleton. That's okay. You're perfect. What do I have to do to both sides? That's correct. You're adding 3/4. Right? The reason why you add 3/4 because that will cross out. All right, so now you're just having a problem with these fractions. So what's the common denominator? 20. So notice what I'm doing here, guys, putting 120 down This is how I'd like you to do it. 120. And now the first fraction is how many 20ths? -12. And the second one is? I didn't hear you. What is this right here? What is, no, I don't understand your question. Are you okay with that?
Yeah, never mind.
Okay, so my final answer is 3/20. G equals 3/20. Now, those of you guys who did not know how to do fractions last week, now's your time to speak up. Come on, I'm watching you. All right. I want you working yourself. Do the problems. All right. I didn't skip you, did I?
I wouldn't.
Okay. All right. Next. What am I doing?
You are gonna do the same thing, I think.
What does that mean?
You find the common denominator.
Nope, because this is a division problem, kiddo.
Oh,
This is division. How do I undo division?
multiply by the reciprocal.
Right? And what am I multiplying by?
-9/2.
Nope. No, next to the variable. What numbers with the variable?
Times.
Yep. Yes, times -4, not -4/I. Now, if you want, you can say -4/1, right? Or we can say this means dividing by -4, right? So how do I undo division? You multiply. Avery, is that good?
Yeah.
So now I is going to equal what?
I equals -4/9 times 4/1.
And what is that? That's what I'm asking you.
8/9.
Yes, 8/9. Very good. Keep in mind, it's positive, right? Two negatives multiplied together is a positive. All right, Maya, you're up, 17.
It's -8/9.
Right, -8/9. All right, so what am I doing with these fractions?
You add them.
You're adding them. So 1/3 becomes
3/9.
3/9.
And then it's -1 3/9 plus 8/9.
Which is
-1 and 11/9.
-1 and 11/9, which is the same as
-2 and 2/9.
-2 and 2/9. Thank you very much. All right, -2 and 2/9. Yes,
11/9.
because remember, how many times does 9 go into 11?
Oh,
Do you remember that? Good question. 1 and 2/9, right? And because there was already a 1, that creates 2. All right, thank you for asking. All right, let's go. 19. You're up.
you would add 1.49.
Perfect. So now M is equal to what?
Oh, you
We will add them or subtract them.
subtract.
Now look, let's do the mental math on this, okay? Let's do the mental math. What's 7 minus 1? 6. And now if I do 6 minus 49 cents, what's $6 minus 49 cents?
59.
Yes. So it would be what though?
$6.
You were at 6 and you subtracted 49 cents. So
Oh, it would be $5.
yes, 5.51. And don't forget it's negative. Now, Ali, does that make sense to you? All right, everybody's good? All right, speak up, please. These are the ones that are important. This is reviewing the test. All right, where you made mistakes. What?
I'm confused how you went from 6.59 to 5.51.
I just did $6 minus 49 cents.
So why you have to do it? Is it just 7 minus like 6 and then
7 minus 1 is 6. and then 6 minus 49 cents. The reason I did that was because I don't feel like borrowing. I don't feel like coming over here making this a 6, then cross this out, make this a 10, then cross this out, make it a 9, then cross this out and make it a 10.
Okay,
I just don't do that anymore. That's third grade work.
yeah.
All right. I want you doing the mental math. All right. You should be able to do that. All right. 21, Tyler.
So it's, you're gonna times.
That's correct.
0.4.
Right. So what's 4 times 21?
4 times 8, may just be 84.
84. And then how many decimal places?
2, so 0.84.
Yes, sir. I'm happy with that. Anybody have any issues? Anybody have any issues? Yes, ma'am. Good for you. With what?
Like, how did you get 84?
Do you agree? I just multiplied both sides by negative 0.4. Multiply both sides by negative 0.4. Now, look, this is super duper important because I can't do advanced equations, which is the rest of the week. This is basics right now. If you know the basics, then tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is all easy. If you don't know this, tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday is a nightmare. All right. So do you see I undid division by multiplying, right? And then I just said, what's 4 times 21? 84 with 2 decimal places. You agree with that or not? Is that helpful? All right. Good job. Easy. All right. Speak up when you don't know. All right. Which brings me to 23. I forgot. Who's doing 23? Okay. Trey, tell me what to do for fractions. All right. What do I do for fractions? I got it.
You multiply.
By the,
Reciprocal.
yes, multiply by the reciprocal. Hello? Yeah. Okay, thank you. By Reese. All right, so we're multiplying by the reciprocal. So Tyler, tell me what the reciprocal is. What was it?
You mean Trey?
Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Trey, sorry, I was distracted. What's the reciprocal, Trey? Thank you.
5/4.
Yes, it is 5/4. All right, very nice. So I'm going to change it to 5/4. And now if you put a 5/4 here, you don't have to.
I just put it there. On the-
Yep, and you know it cancels. I'm just showing you why. It cancels, right, Jolie? You good? All right, so now tell me the final answer here, kiddo.
Negative 35 over 44.
Negative 35 over 44 is perfect. Negative 35 over 44. Bye. All right, Jolie, talk to me. That's not multiplication, Jolie. What is that? So how do I get rid of subtraction? Right, so you're adding 4/3. Do you agree with that? Now, in order to add fractions, I need a what? That is true. What's common denominator? Now, notice how I'm doing my fractions. I wish everyone would learn this. 12. All right, now the first fraction, how many 12s are there? So what do I have to multiply by? Yes, and then I have to do what? So that becomes, say it. What kind of 9? Negative 9. Now remember, Jolie, come on, kiddo. I want you to be confident. And if you don't know something, you have to tell me, okay? Come on, don't be afraid about what anybody's thinking. All right, this is for you. All right, let's go. Now, what do I do for the second one? Yes, see, I don't need to do the bottom, right? Just, you know, it's already supposed to be there. So what do I get? There you go. All right. Now you just have to tell me what negative 9 plus 7 is. Or I'm sorry, negative 9 plus 16. Subtract 10 and add 1. 16 minus 10 is what? 16 minus 10, Jolie. And then add 1. Good. 7, hold on a minute. 7 over what? Yes. All right. 7 over 12. Now, listen, I want to help everybody. All right. So let me make sure I got Jolie taken care of, and then you can jump in with your question. I want to help. All right, Jolie, you good? Right. again, I'm a little nervous about you not jumping in. All right, speak up. You hear me? I mean it. Go. Because it was negative up here to begin with. Good question.
I mean, like, how did you even just like get 9?
Oh, because remember, I need a common denominator. This was a 4, right?
Oh,
So I had to multiply by 3. So I have to multiply the top by 3.
yeah.
And that's how I got 3 times 3 is 9.
All right, thank you.
Right? Good for you. Go.
How do you use 16?
How did I get the 16? Because I multiplied this by 4 to get a common denominator. You happy with that now?
Yeah.
Good. Maya, come on.
Oh, wait.
All right. Everybody's happy now. All right. Let's go, Logan.
Do you do negative or 1.4 times negative?
Yeah, so we're multiplying by negative 1.4. All right, so V is what?
4.2.
4.2. I'm happy. 4.2. 4.2. Anybody else? All right, let's continue on. Jackson, how you doing over there? Are you working the problems or are you just writing them down? What are you doing? Working the problems, not writing them down. I know how to do this already. I'm trying to see if you know how to do it. You have to do the work yourself, not writing my answers down. If you don't know something, you raise your hand and say, man, just help me out, please. And I want to show you how to do it. All right, here we go. We're on 29. Okay, what do I got here? Brennan.
Minus subtraction.
So how do I get rid of subtraction?
Add it.
Add 19.8. Add, notice I'm lining up decimals. So help me, what does X equal?
X equals 21. Minus 2.
9 plus 3 today is what?
I'm at 22.
That's what I thought you said. 22.92, I'm happy with that. 22.92. All right, Cole, buddy, you're up. What am I doing?
Oh, you're adding 1.9.
Adding 1.9. Now, Cole, do I add these numbers or do I subtract them? So I need to put the 1.9 on top. Notice I'm lining up the decimals. $90 minus 3 is what? 87. And then don't forget the what? Now, do you understand what I just said? How listen, everybody, does everybody understand? I'm not looking at this as 1.90. I already know what's 1 minus 1. What does that happen? Cancels out. So now I just have 90 cents minus 3 cents. All right, is everybody good with that? Yes, Evan.
For 29, how would you get 22?
I'm on 31.
I mean, yeah, 21.
I know, but you're behind then. Every time I say, is everybody okay? You should raise your hand then. You hear me? What's the matter?
Well, I don't know how you got 22.
What's 19 plus 3?
19 plus 3 is 22.
What are you asking me?
The 0.92 part.
80 cents plus 12
Oh,
cents.
subtraction, sorry.
Hey, listen, Evan, I'm trying not to give anybody a hard time. All right, I'm really not. Evan, do you hear me? You know that, right? Okay, I don't want you upset with me, but I'm trying to get you going. All right, I'm trying to get you going. All right, now I'm on 33. Did you do one yet? All right, you're up. What am I doing?
So do you multiply 4.1?
Yes, 4.1 times 2.1. So you have to do that. That's kind of annoying. So I'm waiting on you.
Is it? I'll just-
You have to do it real quick.
Is it 1.8?
No, I don't think so. Multiply it out. Let me see. Don't say that. Just do the multiplication that you did in 3rd grade. Did anybody else get 8.1? Is it 8.1? It's not 8. I don't. okay, I might be wrong, but here we go. 4.1 times 2.1. 1, 4, 2, 8. Right? You're Zeb, I don't know what you're asking me. You're confused about multiplying 4.1 times 2.1. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 4, 4. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 4, 8. Right? So now when you add that, what do you get? Shh. Bless you.
Eight.
8.61, correct. 8.61. And don't forget, you're multiplying a negative times a negative. Now, Zeb, you know I want to help you, right? So are you good with that now?
Yeah, no.
All right. All right, a little sneaky, but. Okay. Ashley, you get to do 35. What am I doing on 35?
You're gonna divide 1.1 and 1.3331.
Right, exactly. So is my answer going to be positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. Now, what do I have to do to the decimal?
Take it out.
What do I have to do to the decimal?
You have to put it up, like move it.
Yes, you move it over one place. Do you remember this?
Yeah.
All right. So now how many times does 11 go into 13?
1.
With how many left over?
2.
How many times does 11 go into 23?
2.
With how many left over?
1.
How many times does 11 go into 11?
1.
There you have it, guys. Negative 1.21. All right, are you okay with that, Ashley?
Yeah.
Anybody else have any issues? Anybody else? All right, Eddie, let's go.
So, how to type an answer?
No, I want you to tell me what to do first.
Okay, so, first, you wanna add,
How do I undo addition?
do add.
How do-
Subtract.
Yeah, come on, Eddie. So is the answer going to be positive or negative?
Negative.
Yes. Now, do I have to get a common denominator?
Yeah, but you already have it.
Right. So do I add these or subtract them?
You subtract.
Well, I know it says subtract, but they're both negative.
Oh, so,
You add them, correct?
Yeah.
All right. So what's my final answer? Well, what's an answer when I add them?
-4.
And
1 over
what?
1 over
No, we're adding.
Oh, 7 over 5.
Yes. Now, Eddie, I'm trying to help you make all these corrections, right? You understand that, right? You promise, right? You know that. Okay, so now we got to simplify that to what? You can't have 7/5. So what would the final answer be?
-5 and 2.
Yes, very nice. Very, very nice. I appreciate that. You good?
Yeah.
Okay, Misha, help me.
So you have to subtract.
What is this operation right here? Are we on 39?
Oh, I was on.
I know. That's why I asked you what question you were on.
So you have to do 5 times.
Yes, you do. Very good. All right, notice I made it 5 over 1.
And then
Now what can reduce?
15 and 5.
Right?
5's a 1, and 15's a 3.
So your final answer.
1/3. Oh, 730.
Yes, negative 7/3. You with me on this?
Yeah.
All right. Here we go, back over. Is everybody okay with negative 7/3? Tell me.
Wouldn't you change it? then?
No. No, in advanced math, we only use, all right, improper fractions. If they give us as mixed fractions, you can leave it as mixed. But generally in advanced math, we only do improper, okay? Jackson, what am I doing?
You have to minus 5 is 8/9.
Beautiful. Okay, so now I know you're with me. So do I add or subtract?
Subtract.
Right. So which one goes on top?
The bigger one.
Yeah, so we're going to do 5 and 8/9 minus 3 and 2/3. Jackson, is the answer positive or negative?
Negative.
Right. So what am I multiplying here?
The common denominator is 9.
Right. So I'm going to change this fraction to what? The second fraction to
6/9.
6/9.
And it comes out as 2/9. The negative 2 and 2/9.
You're awesome, buddy. That's what I want out of you. Anybody else? What? Because 3 minus 5 is negative. Details, details. That's what hurt you on the last test. All right, Molly, what am I doing?
3.49 minus 1.82.
That's right. Now, Molly, is the answer going to be positive or negative?
Negative.
Right, very good. So she made an observation. She knows she's subtracting, so the larger number goes up top. The answer is negative. So 3.49 minus 1.82.
Is 1.67.
You are amazing. 1.67. I'm happy with that. Molly, how do you feel so far? Easy, right? Good review. All right, Josh, help me out. 45. Yep. So what am I doing? Sorry, guys. I know. Shh. Come on. Tell me what to do.
301 times 13.
Right. 301 times 13. Is my answer going to be positive or negative?
Positive.
Good. So now you have to do 3.01 times 13 for me. Shh. Oh, I'm sorry. There we go. I'm waiting for you, Joshua. How much? 3 times 13 is like 39. Tell me how to do it. What's the answer? 3.913, like that? Is everybody okay with that?
Yeah.
All right, thank you very much. All right, did you say it was, yeah, it was positive. Very good, yes.
How'd you get 13?
Uh-oh. It's not 13, it's a decimal, you just didn't see it. That was my fault. You with me? Thank you. All right, that was 1.3. Okay, which brings somebody? Which brings me, what? You need help with 3.01 times 1.3. That's what you're asking me? 309, 103, 3193. Move the decimal 3 places. You see what I'm saying, right?
Where'd you get the 9 from?
9 plus 0 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Everybody's got to practice.
Why didn't you line up the decimals?
Because you don't line up the decimals for multiplication, only for addition and subtraction. All right, these are all great questions, guys. That's what I'm saying. You got to do the practice. It's not going to help you using a calculator. All right, you need to do the arithmetic. All right, Evan, let's go. Now for this, let me just remind you, you need to convert these to improper fractions. So what would that be as an improper fraction? Oh, it's froze, didn't it? Yeah, hold on 1 second. I don't know why it did that. There we go, we're back. Okay. So what does that become?
So which would you 7 x r equals
Thank you. Shh. Negative 19/5. Yeah, I'm having trouble with the board now. Sorry, I don't know what I'm getting kicked off for. I'm gonna tell them to give me a new. Yeah, no, a new Apple TV. I think that's the thing.
What's this one?
All right, give me one quick second.
I'll take this one.
No, just give it to me, bro.
I'm digging up the garbage. I know, Mr. Shout, I love that. I'm so lucky.
Stop. Okay, could not connect. Okay, Ashley, sorry, we're having technical difficulties. We are fixing that at the moment. All right, let me see if I can do that now. Oh, slowing me down here. Hey, no, we're not, I'm not doing that. Hey, will you shut that door now, please, Jackson?
Okay.
I hate it when technology doesn't work. All right, Ashley, almost there. I'm gonna try one more time. Shh. I don't want to set it up. Do we? Okay, Ashley, we're done. All right, I'm having technical difficulties. What I need for you to do is finish it for homework. That's your job. Finish it for homework.